Good afternoon, everyone. Sure that you guys were aware that Schoology was down early today. That being said, as I went to go put the material up, I had a little bit of an issue regarding what I was looking for you guys to do over this asynchronous period and what I was looking for you guys to do in general. The first thing I want to say is that I owe you a little bit of an apology. This distance learning has been difficult for me. I used to pride myself on giving almost instantaneous feedback and not waiting a week to do so. It's been extremely hard on me to try to get some information back to you as quick as possible. For example, when homework used to be turned in, I would have it handed back and graded for the entire class within about 5 or 6 minutes with corrections already on there. So I had it down to a science. I'm still working on the best way possible. But what I want you to do for your asynchronous time today is to go into Schoology, and if you could, please look up assignments that I have already graded for you. You've already submitted them. Hopefully you're doing this on a regular basis, but just to be clear, I'm giving feedback and comments on the right side to things that you are doing great and things that I want you to share with the class, and also a few little suggestions that are out there. The other thing I would like for you to do is click on period 3, click on assignments, and then there's a feedback on the work. Now this will help me try to figure out what is actually important for us to go over during our synchronous times in class. So scale from 1 to 10, crafting a thesis, topic, sentence, context. I want you to look into some of your work and kind of point out a suggestion that I've made. It's important to paraphrase and be able to do so. So please do not just quote my comment. And lastly, something that you are doing well. For all intents and purposes, when you look at what's on the asynchronous stuff for today, you should have already gone over some of the practice questions. And I understand there is an issue when you look at the actual practice questions, how they line up for the test. I've also put your grades up here. So with the grade check, you can click on that. I ended up curving the last exam and dropping out 2 questions because they were not fair with how the questions lined up between what was on there and what was on the practice questions. So please look at your grades, see what's missing. Remember, I told you I would have your back 100%. If something does come up, please let me know when it comes to grades. That's not the be-all, end-all. I can change your grades. I will call home and talk to your parents or guardians if there's an issue with your grades. And I will always make sure that you have the highest possible grade that you can get. But if there's a disconnect, I need to know about that first. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you guys on Thursday and Friday.